Upholstery typically takes anywhere from a few hours to overnight to dry after professional cleaning, depending on fabric, humidity, and airflow. Expect a baseline drying window of about 4 to 12 hours for most fabric sofas when conditions are favorable, and up to 24 hours for dense cushions or layered upholstery. Start by checking the manufacturer tag for cleaning codes and fabric composition, because natural fibers like cotton and linen hold more moisture and take longer to dry than synthetic fibers like polyester. Improve airflow by opening windows and running ceiling fans or box fans directed across and slightly above the cushions to promote evaporation without blasting direct air into seams. Lower indoor humidity with a dehumidifier if you have one. Aim for relative humidity under 50% to cut drying time significantly. When cushions are removable, take them outside into indirect sunlight for safe drying, if the weather and sun exposure will not fade the fabric. Rotate cushions and unzip covers where possible to expose inner foam. Avoid using high heat sources like hair dryers on high settings because rapid surface drying can trap moisture inside and encourage odor or mold growth. Common mistakes include assuming surface dryness means complete dryness, which often leads to setting stains or mildew. Test by pressing a white cloth into seams and the cushion core and repeat drying steps until no damp transfer appears. Another issue is overwetting during cleaning, which doubles drying time and risks shrinkage. Prevent this by using minimal water, working in small sections, and extracting thoroughly with a wet vacuum or carpet extractor. A final frequent problem is poor airflow in rooms with closed windows and carpets that block underframes. Solve this by creating cross ventilation, lifting furniture off carpets with blocks or coasters to allow air under frames, and moving pieces to a room with better circulation if feasible. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and local contractors by making it easier to find and contact people experienced with specific tasks like upholstery cleaning and furniture restoration. We host a discussion community where users and professionals share real-world tips, drying strategies, and timing expectations so we all plan around furniture usage more confidently.